Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 5th to the 11th of July. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check as well. Get into this with deal number one. Okay, so this is the best deal if you want to line this up. If you possibly have this booster, a 10 back when you spend 50, make sure you have it loaded. And then also it's stacking with the 10 back when you spend 45 on Cottonelle, Kleenex, those good products. Along with, we can use that discount code of July 20 as our basket is massive. Okay, so this is going to be a huge amount of Cottonelle, and I know a lot of you are just here for the fanciness. So I'm throwing in 8 of these sixers, and they're the megas. Make sure that when you go pick up your order, you ask for them to process it through a regular register because you want a receipt. In and out of IBOTTA, there's been this specific one $1 back. I don't see it right now, but maybe it'll show up again. Maybe there'll be a couple of bucks for you. Maybe not. 8 altogether for the 2 equals 13. So that is quite a bit. Adding to the cart, we're going to throw in one of these 3 counters for $7.29, and we have a $1 digital coupon as well. Make sure you have that one loaded. And then to get the math to balance, it's all about balance on this channel. We're going to throw in 2 of these Kleenex cubes for $3. So they're $1.50 a piece this week. Now we're going to toss in the code July 20th to save an additional $12.26 off. Oh my gosh. Plus our $1 coupon for the Kleenex. Unfortunately, there's no Cottonelle coupons. So the overall total for this basket is $62.29, subtracting $12.26. The new total is $50.03. So for the spend 50 to earn back 10, you are there. And for the spend 45 to earn back 10, you are there. The $1 digital is melting off. Pay with your debit card as you're using that spend booster. You're going to get back 20 bucks. And it basically makes it like $30-ish for this huge basket of products. I think I tallied it up at $2.45 per item. Remember, guys, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster. But in this one's instance where you could stack the spend booster with your transaction, it makes it so much better when there's a 10 back when you spend 45. Next curbside deal that we're looking at, deal number 2, we're going to toss in 2 of these Scott toilet papers. They're on a buy one get one 50% off promotion with a 2 off the 2 coupon. I believe that 2 off the 2 coupon showed up a couple weeks back, so if you used it a couple weeks ago, apologies in advance. Maybe you could just double up on the second item I'm going to toss into my cart. But it makes it a really good deal. And I don't mind this Scott's toilet paper. It's the paper towel I have issues with. And then 2 of these, friends, for $10. And we have a $1.50 store coupon that's going to take $3 off. Now, alternatively, if you don't like this bathroom tissue, I believe on that store coupon, there's other items that you could toss in, such as paper towel. There's a whole host of little items that you could toss in. But I just threw these 2 in. They're very similar to Angel Soft, so I have no problem with this tissue. Show you guys, I'm able to get that $3.50 times 2 for the $3 store coupon for the Walgreens toilet paper. Wag10 taking 55 cents off, $2 for the Scott, and then Senior 20 taking an additional $1.40 off. I don't know why, but I'm loving that. $17.50 subtracting $4.95, a little bit of tax. $2 manufacturer melting off, so $11.30. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay the $1.30. Call this a really great basket for 4 toilet papers. Now, I'm going to let you guys know also, it goes without saying, and I know that a lot of couponers are probably the most courteous shoppers out there, but if you are going to do a monster toilet paper deal where there's like 8 bags of toilet paper, like huge amounts, make sure you get to the store that day or within 6 hours, just so there isn't an avalanche of paper, because they keep all that near the photo counter and sometimes it gets a bit crowded. So just to be courteous, go ASAP. Now let's look at deal number 3. This one involves 2 of these 9 equals 36 Charmins on sale for $12.99. We currently have a $2 and a $1 coupon off of this product with a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Because you are in store, if you might have that P&G $10 register reward or other register rewards, throw it at this for a lesser out of pocket. That's just the smart thing to do. And just to give you eyes, these are what the coupons look like. Hopefully you can load them. Just go below the product and press the plus button to load them. 2 of these $12.99, friends, is $25.98. Subtracting 3, you're going to pay $22.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $17.98 for the 2 or $8.99 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I will let you guys know that if you have any large register rewards, such as Canvu or just the Always one, and the cashier will scan it, I would do it on a bigger basket like this one. Why not? Because $17.98 paying that out of pocket is kind of rich. That's how I would get rid of those larger register rewards or use them. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, this is a great one. It's the $4.99 Charmin Essentials, the toilet paper and paper towels. Those good products, I believe all of them have dollar digital coupons. So you're going to have to grab an assortment of the Bounty and Charmin Essentials. When you buy 3, you get back a $3 register reward. So how lovely is that? So grabbing 3 of these products, it's going to be $14.97. And you're going to have to grab an assortment. Subtracting $3 of digital coupons, it's $1 off of each. You're going to pay $11.97. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.97 for the 3 or $2.99 per unit. This is a very good price point. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Personally, if you have like a $10 Canvu or a $10 P&G from last week that you were getting, I would definitely throw it into one of these deals for a smaller out of pocket. The final deal that I have prepared for you, and I know this is a favorite amongst many of you, myself included, it's these 4 counters of the Puffs. I love Puffs more than Kleenex, but don't tell anyone. So the sale this week is that they are $6.99 for these 4 counters. Original price $8.99, so just under $9. We have a dollar digital coupon, dropping this down to $5.99. You know how we have the different Colgate register rewards, like there's a $4 one and other little ones that you might have. If you want to toss one of those in for a smaller out of pocket, I think that's the smartest way to go. But $5.99, if you wanted to stock up on this, and I know this is a weird thing to say, but back to school will be right around the corner. And if you stock up your kids' class with these, not a bad price point, especially if you have other register rewards to eat the balance. That's it for this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.